Greeting dear students. So in the previous module we discussed about the few of the numericals of mirror formula and linear magnification. We will continue with our topic of numericals of chapter 10 light. So first we will discuss the first numerical. Again we will use the same pattern. What is given and what we have to find out. So first we will read the statement. An arrow. So arrow is our object. 2.5 सेंटीमीटर हाई. एक एरो दे रखा है और वो कितनी हाइट का है 2.5. HO is equal to 2.5 centimeter and object is always above the principal axis, that is why I have used the sign plus 2.5. is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter. U is minus 25 centimeter from a what? Now look here, diverging mirror. Nothing is mentioned concave or convex. It is written diverging mirror. Diverging का मतलब फैला देता है. तो लाइट को कौन सा मिरर फैलाता है? Which is the convex mirror. So convex mirror is given. Focal point, center of curvature, pole. So arrow is placed 2.5 सेंटीमीटर हाई का एक एरो है. उसको हम कितनी दूर रखते हैं? फ्रॉम ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 25 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम ए डाइवर्जिंग मिरर. और उस डाइवर्जिंग मिरर की फोकल लेंथ कितनी है? 20 सेंटीमीटर. सो f is 20 सेंटीमीटर. सो व्हाट इज फोकल लेंथ? द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन पोल एंड फोकल पॉइंट. तो हम किधर जा रहे हैं? वी आर मूविंग इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाइट. लाइट इधर जाती है, हम भी फोकल लेंथ मेजर करने के लिए राइट में जा रहे हैं. सो फोकल लेंथ इज पॉजिटिव बिकॉज इट इज द कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नेचर. पोजीशन को हम क्या बोलते हैं? V and the size of image is H. So these are the terms that we have to find out. So we will find them one by one. So first we have to find out the V. What is given? F is given, U is given. So simple. We will use the mirror formula. 1 by F is equal to 1 by U. So what is the value of F? I will solve here. What is the value of F? 1 by 20. What is the value of V? That we have to calculate. Plus 1 by U. U is minus 25 सेंटीमीटर. और उसको तो हम हमेशा माइनस में ही लेते हैं. 1 by 20 is equal to 1 by V minus plus minus 1 by 25. So now I will rearranging it. इसको मैं इधर ले आऊंगा तो क्या बच जाएगा? 1 by V is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 25. Now I am just solving it. You can solve by your method. I am directly solving. So 25 plus 20. So 1 by V is equal to 45 by 20 into 25. So 1 by V is equal to 9 by 100. So V is equal to, उल्टा कर देंगे हम इसको, 100 by 9. So it will be 1.1. What are the units? Centimeter. Now you can see here, after the end of the calculation, which sign you got? Plus. So plus means the image form will be behind the mirror. कि प्लस साइन कब आएगा इमेज के साथ? जब आप इस साइड पे जाओगे, राइट साइड में, that is in the direction of light. And all of you are already aware, in case of convex, image is always formed behind the mirror. And behind the mirror image कौन सी बनती है? Virtual. So nature is virtual and virtual image is always erect. So in nature you can write by just the value of V we can write the nature. प्लस में वैल्यू आई है तो उस साइड बनेगी. उस साइड कौन सी इमेज बनती है? Virtual. And virtual image is always erect. I am directly writing here कि why the nature is virtual and erect. So you have to write along with the line because the value of V is positive. That is why image formed is behind the mirror, and behind the mirror always the image formed is virtual, and virtual image is always erect. So I hope this first part is clear to everyone why the value of V is 11.1 centimeter. So it is done. Only thing that is pending is HI. So we will use the magnification formula. M is equal to HI by HO. The second is minus V by U. So left hand side is equal. so right hand side will also be equal. Hi by ho is equal to minus v by u. So what we have to calculate? hi. So I will rearrange it. इसको ऊपर ले जाऊंगा मैं, minus v by u into ho. Now I will put the values hi that I have to calculate minus what is the value of v that we have calculated, 11.1. For the sake of calculation I am directly writing the 100 by 9, so it will be easy for me to solve this. 100 by 9. And what is u? It is already given in this statement, minus 25. So be careful about the signs, into ho, which is given plus 2.5. Only thing that we have to do is now simplify. माइनस से माइनस कट हो जाएगा, ठीक है. ये 2.5 में से डेसिमल को हम हटा देंगे, 10 आ जाएगा. 25 to 25 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. So hi that you will get will be 10 by 9. तो इसको आप सोल्व करोगे तो 1.1 centimeter. As you can see here, the value comes as positive. Negative sign नहीं आ रहा है, so it is also clear by this. So you can write the nature in the last part. Means कि by the value of v and by the value of height of image we can conclude that the image form will be virtual and erect. क्योंकि height of image positive में आई है तो वो ऊपर बनेगी, और ऊपर जो बनती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इरेक्ट इमेज. और v की वैल्यू प्लस है तो वो राइट बिहाइंड द मिरर बनी है तो वो क्या है? वर्चुअल. So you can write the nature in the last. आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, because of the value of v is 11.1, height of image is plus 1.1. That is why the nature of image is virtual and erect. So I hope this first numerical is clear to everyone. Now you can take the screenshot for the solution of first numerical. Now we will solve the second one. So read the statement. In the first line what is given? A rear view mirror. Again the rear view mirror मतलब कार में पीछे देखने के लिए जो मिरर लगा होता है. So rear view mirror in a car. तो rear view से clear हो गई. rear view mirror क्या होता है? Convex. Focal point, center of curvature. Rear view mirror in a car has a radius of curvature 3 meter. So r is given 3 meter. So r is equal to 2f. So r is 3 into 2f. So f is equal to 3 by 2 meter. Be careful about the unit. Why I have used the plus sign? क्योंकि हम इस साइड जाएंगे मेजर करने के लिए पोल से. दिस इज द पोल और हम फोकल लेंथ किधर जा रहे हैं? राइट साइड में. This is the direction of light. That is why f is plus 3 by 2. Next is, if bus is located at a distance of 5 meter. तो बस हमारा क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट है, और ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए हम कौन सा साइन लेते हैं? u. और वो कितनी दूर है? -5 मीटर. एक्सीडेंटली आई सेंटीमीटर. So located at a distance of 5 meter from this mirror. Find the position of image. तो हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करनी है? पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज. तो इमेज के लिए हम कौन सा साइन यूज करते हैं? बी. तो फाइंड द पोजीशन ऑफ इमेज, ऑल्सो फाइंड द नेचर. तो पहली लाइन में ही आपको नेचर क्लियर हो जाएगा. रियर व्यू मिरर है, कौन सा मिरर होता है? कॉन्वेक्स. तो कॉन्वेक्स में हमेशा इमेज कैसे बनती है? वर्चुअल एंड इरेक्ट. सो व्हाट इज गिवन? u इज गिवन, f इज गिवन. यू जस्ट हैव टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ v. So again we will use the mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So we will put the value 1 by f. What is the value of f? 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by v that we have to calculate plus 1 by u. U is always in negative sign, -5. As you can see here, every unit is given in meter. That is why I haven't changed into centimeter. So simplify it. 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by v minus plus minus 1 by 5. तो इसको मैं इधर ले आऊंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now you can simplify it. तो 13/15 इज इक्वल टू 1/v। अब इसको हम उल्टा कर देंगे, तो यहाँ पे आ गया मैप। तो 13/15 इज इक्वल टू 1/v, और यू कैन क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, सिंपली हमको v की वैल्यू निकालनी, तो v विल बी 15/13। So v will be 15/13. So when you will simplify it, it will be 1.15 मीटर। बी केयरफुल अबाउट द यूनिट, क्योंकि सारी की सारी चीजें जो हैं वो मीटर में है, दैट इज वाई 1.15 मीटर। So I hope solution of second numerical is also clear to everyone. So we have discussed up to now the numericals based upon the concave mirror, numerical based upon the convex mirror. If you still have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Now you can take the screenshot for the solution of second numerical and can write in your fair notebook. So thank you students.